Hello everyone. I am here today to discuss few numericals on bending stresses in beam. In my earlier video, we discussed the bending equation, the flexural equation, section modulus, pure bending, simple bending. Now I am going to solve two numericals of bending stress in beams. So the first numerical is a rectangular beam 200 millimeter deep and 300 millimeter wide. So I am drawing the rectangular beam of 200 millimeter deep. So it is 200 millimeter deep and 300 millimeter wide. Is simply supported, that is the beam is simply supported and the span of 8 meters. So the simply supported beam is there, and the span, that is the length of the beam, is 8 meter. What uniformly distributed load per meter the beam may carry? That means in the beam there is a uniformly distributed load that we have to find out. So let us assume W Newton per meter is the UDL load that is acting on the simply supported beam, if the bending stress is not exceed 120 Newton per millimeter square. So we have the bending equation. What is the bending equation? Bending equation is M upon I is equal to sigma B upon Y is equal to E by R. E by R will not be used here because radius of curvature is not mentioned here. So what are the data given? Data is length of the beam is 8 meter. So I have taken here 8000 millimeter. Why millimeter? Because my stress is given in millimeter square. So I took the length as millimeter. Section is given 300 millimeter by 200 millimeter. Maximum bending stress is given 120 Newton per millimeter square. Condition is uniformly distributed load for simply supported beam. So from the condition of beam and the load, uniformly distributed load for simply supported beam, we can find out the maximum bending moment, because if a beam carries an uniformly distributed load for the full span and the beam is simply supported, then the formula for the maximum bending moment is WL square by 8. So WL is 8000 square to 8. So 8W multiplied by 10 to the power 6. This is Newton millimeter. This is Newton millimeter because I have taken length in millimeter. So Newton millimeter. Now calculations of moment of inertia. Moment of inertia for a rectangular section, the formula is BT cube by 12. The B is 300 millimeter. B is 300 millimeter and D is 200 millimeter. B is the beam, deep is 200 millimeter. Sorry, B is 300 millimeter wide and 200 millimeter deep. This is 200 and deep is 200 and this is 300. So BT cube by 12, B is 300, D is 200 cube divided by 12. The answer is 2 into 10 to the power 8 millimeter to the power 4. So we got M and I, and we have the sigma also. So M upon M by I is equal to sigma upon Y, and Y is neutral axis here. Neutral axis is this. This is a neutral axis. So this is the Y. Y is this. That is the distance of the top layer or the bottom layer from the neutral axis. It is 100. Y is 100. So see, step 4, calculations of UDL. M upon I equal to sigma by Y. So substitute the values where Y is equal to D by 200 millimeter. So 8W 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 8 is the I is equal to 120 divided by Y is 100. So from this we are getting the value of what? Small w, that is the intensity of UDL is 30 Newton per millimeter. Okay, so this is one problem. Now another problem I have taken. Calculate the maximum stress. That is, you have to find out the bending stress in a cast iron pipe of external diameter 40 millimeter and internal diameter 20 millimeter. That is a hollow pipe is given. The cast iron pipe is a hollow pipe and the length of the pipe is 44 meter. And the pipe is supported at its ends, means it's a simply supported pipe of length 4 meter and the cross section of the pipe is hollow. The external diameter is given and the internal diameter is given. You have to find out the maximum stress. So see, what are the data given? Data given, length of the beam is 4 meter or 4000 millimeter. Internal dia is given 20 millimeter, external diameter given 40 millimeter. Condition is point load for simply supported beam. The pipe is supported at its ends and carries a point load 80 Newton at the center. So for simply supported beam and there is a point load at the center, the maximum bending moment formula is WL by 4. That you have to remember it. And this is equal to M. So W is 80, L is 4000 divided by 4. So it is coming WL by 4, 80 kilonewton meter. 80 kilonewton millimeter, I think, yeah, because 4000 millimeter, 4000 millimeter, 4000 is millimeter, so 80. So if I 1000 is 80 kilonewton millimeter, it is 80 kilonewton millimeter. Then the moment of inertia for any circular section is pi d to the power 4 by 64 if the section is solid section. Now here the section is hollow section, so it is pi d outer to the power 4 minus d inner to the power 4 divided by 64. So outer is 40 millimeter, inner is 20 divided by 64. So I am getting, this is 117809.7 millimeter to the power 4. Now the formula is bending stress M by I is equal to sigma by Y. So substitute the values. Y, what is Y? Y is, see, there is a hollow circular section. So always you have to take the external radius. External radius is 20. Outer surface, neutral axis. This is a, suppose this is a hollow section. This is a hollow section. So neutral axis is this. So this is the distance of the top layer from the neutral axis. That is the radius of the external side. So external diameter is given 40 millimeter. So the Y is 20 millimeter. So by putting these values, we are getting the sigma is 13.58 into 10 to the 58 Newton per millimeter square. Newton per millimeter square. So this type of questions may ask also. In bending stress chapter, the numerical problem. In the numerical problem, first you have to notice what is the beam, what are the kinds of beam, and what is the types of load that is given. Whether is a point load given, or radial given, or UVL given, and what is the cross section of the beam. So from the cross section, you will calculate the moment of inertia, and from the types of beam and the loading, you will calculate the bending moment. And then use the formula M by I equal to sigma by Y. So with this, I have completed. Thank you. If you find my video good, please share it